Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use standby mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing is you need to make sure your phone is up to date with iOS 17 or newer. So in your setting, general, software update, and make sure you're up to date on the latest version as well. But you'll need at least iOS 17. Now, once you have updated your phone at least to iOS 17, in your settings, you're just going to go down and look for standby and tap on standby. And make sure that standby is turned on. With that turned on, if you want notification, you will keep this on or just keep it as is. And display, you will want to turn on either automatically or after 20 seconds. And then if you want night mode, you can have this on and tap to wake. So we'll just leave the standard default setting. So how does this work? Really simple. Let's go ahead and lock our phone and then close it. And what you need to do is stand. As you can see here, it's not doing anything. What happens is if you plug it into a charger, you'll get into the standby mode. So as you can see here, when I plugged it in, it says welcome to standby mode. I'm going to hit continue. And when I do that, as you can see here, this shows me a view where I can see the clock and the calendar as well. Now there's different ways to have this configured. You can always select it accordingly. Just swipe up or down. So if you want a different way, if you maybe want to see it this way or maybe that way, you can kind of flip through the options that are available. If you want to see maybe stock market, maybe the news, clock, and as you can see here, I can just scroll down. They're different basically features. You can do combination of them. So whatever you like on the left and right, and that's going to show you the different options available. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.